You'll find us chasing the sun. Alright. At the moment I need to try and get my lava up to 50. She's kind of at P21. I need to get to P50. So one of my main goals is to try and get up to that bit. Right. Oh, who brought the RPD? Why RPD? Indoor maps are like the worst. Especially if it's the killer that puts it, because you can get Scratch Mirror Michaels. Which means he can see through walls. So he knows where you are. Oh, trust me, it's funny, because like, you shit yourself. But, yeah. It's, not bad. Say goodbye. Someone who's been with me from now on. It's always 5 when you start off with. Oh. Is a Huntress again? Why are there so many Huntresses today? Oh my god. Can't it be anyone else but Huntress? Please, I beg. I'm just waiting to see an axe fly past my head. Come on, come on. I'm waiting for you motherfuckers. Aha! I saw it coming! Aha! I saw it coming again! Aha! I've dropped a pallet on your face! Goodbye! I've got a hunch in my arse right now, so you're saying that you're focusing on something? Done. 2. Go off it. You're right. Oh my fucking god, thank you for taking the hit. Shit. Miss me. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Why do you have coloured and a heart on your screen? So I've got the, what's called the visual heartbeat, because it just helps being able to see when the killer's very close. Because like my headphones do help, but just having that visualization kind of helps it a lot more. The killer just left me. So like as you can see, like at the moment it's like a red globe orb, so that just means that the killer really cuz. You just alert the killer, by the way. I'm leaving. Yeah, you can do that. Yeah. Careful, because killer might be coming directly to you guys now. Oh, the killer's looking. Killer's there. Oh, she been hit again. No, no. Yeah, if you go on to, I think it's the accessible option in Dead by Daylight. It literally says visual heartbeat, and you can add it there. Sorry, I'm talking to chat. No, I wasn't talking to you. No, you already got visual heartbeat. You said you have it on already. Can you see that little orb inside of your chest? Yes or no? So you don't have visual heartbeat on. Where's Sweet Burrito? Burrito, where are you? Oh, you're far away. I'm sorry, I'm not making that. I have this little flashy, but I can't do the bangy because you're too far away. That sounded weird. but everyone gets what I mean. Burrito, no! You're meant to be sweet, not hanging. Don't be scared, hide in corners. They can't see you unless you're running, because they have scratch marks. No. You can't hit me, no. Come on, this way. Come on, let's go ring around the roses again. Come on. Hey, excuse me. Can I... Thank you. What the fuck? Why did you not M1 me, love? What the fuck? Mate, I'm sorry, but you might need to run. I'm so sorry, run. That was so close. That was such a close hit. Come on, love, come on. Ah, fuck. I fucked up. Damn it. Oh my god, I was so focused. Yo, flashlight? Oh, damn it, no one has a flashlight. What are you doing? What are you doing? What down? You just... It does, but you have to get the timing right. You have to get timing right and stuff. Oh my god! That is like the most dubious thing I've ever seen anyone do. I'm so sorry, but that is just funny as hell. I mean, you can slowly vaulting out. Come in, don't worry, I'm coming for you. Right, let's heal up. Okay, or not. Come here, heal, please. What's going on? Wait, why can't I hit you with medkit? What the fuck? That's so weird. I mean, thank you. Does it prioritize me or just... Oh, shit. God, you're just gonna need to run away right there. I'm gonna try and get to the next gate. I'm gonna go for the back... I'm gonna go for back door exit. Hopefully that way I can get the pickup. Are you in basement? Why did you run in basement? Wait. Back door's open, guys. There you go. You missed. Oh. Well, at least that was a better huntress to go up against. The first one just tunneled me. Oh, come on guys, you can get out on this one. She was all the way at the other door, so you should be able to get out. Yeah, no, they're out. just got swallowed. Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay. Alright. One bad game, one good game, both Huntresses. Let's try and get someone else besides Huntress. That'd be great. I don't want to keep seeing Axis fly all over the place. I'm good. I don't mind seeing Axis get swung because it was the unknown. But I don't really want to see one, you know, flying all over the place. That'd be great. I'm waiting for it. The green, I want it. Can I get to level 20 in time? I don't think I have enough for level 20. Well, I might. Yeah, I got that. Let's put level 20 in Quentin, and then let's go back to our Lara. And let's get her level up again. Okay, level 15. Ain't too bad. I love that they've got rid of their prestige signs as well now, which is great. Like, you can't see them before game. You only see them after, see what prestige everyone is, which is good. GeForce, do you want to ready up? What I do anytime you're doing blood points and stuff, just ready up and then do the blood points at the same time. It just saves us waiting for the next game and stuff. I'm waiting for it, no green light, I want it. Oh, and everyone loves the Shui skin. I see it all the time now. And Kate's, I don't mind Kate's outfit. Kate's outfit's not bad. It looks nice. It looks cute. It looks adorable. Oh. I just please hope it's not a Huntress again. Anyone but Huntress would be great. Probably. When you're getting chased, do you try outsmarting the killer? Yeah, don't do that. the thing is, what you need to do is, as a survivor main, when you go around corners and stuff, like, try and stand at the edge of the corner. Don't try and run like a certain way, because you want to see which way the killer comes first, so that you know what way to go. Because as like a killer main, you try to think to outsmart the person, so you're basically outsmarting yourself, kind of thing. So when I'm in chase and stuff, that's why you see me majority of the time. You'll see me like hide around a corner or just stand near a corner, wait for the killer to come through. If I'm not too sure which way they're gonna come. Like, of course, you get them certain areas where you're just like, I've got no fucking clue what way this killer's gonna come, and like you're worried because of how short the corners are. And then just leave the area. So it's always thinking about what you think, what bits are gonna be good. So for example, like we're spawning in now, behind us is a rock loop. So this will be a good loop here, because you can still see the killer if you're running over here, like this. So you can still just see the killer when you're running around. Whereas if you was running, like, let's say the walls, you're not 100% sure which way the killer's gonna come. I don't wanna go. It's a ghosty! It's a ghosty! Run. By the way, just run. Because he can... Oh no, it's a trapper. Never mind, I thought it was a trapper. Oh, I was so happy. I was thinking... Oh, he's coming back. Okay, goodbye. He's placing a trap down by the pallet. Oh, he's on me. No, he's not. Where's he going? Oh fuck, hello, goodbye. Yeah, you're not gonna hit me there, mate. And if I really want to. Nat hit? No way Nat hit. No way did Nat hit. Killer's still on my ass. Why do you want me to that? Okay, you left. G-Force, if you come down from the main building, I'm literally at the back. Okay, never mind, just go together. Yeah, go left and I'm down the stairs. Heal please, thank you. Rubbing my back to make me feel better, thank you. Thank you. Just be careful of the traps on the floor. Especially around pallets and loops now. Why does he want me so badly? What did I do to you, bro? No, 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 no. This killer really wants me. Probably because I got TTV in my name. Some people just tunnel TTVs. Holy shit, I don't know where a pallet is. Please say there's no trap here. Guys, please get the gen done. Oh, he's still chasing me. What the fuck? Hello. Wow, he literally took me. It took him 4 gens to get me. 4 gens. What the hell, bro? He might camp me. He might have to tunnel. Come get me quick, please. There are 4 gens and 1 hook. That's crazy. You're fine, I'm getting chased back where the gen is. Wait, why is she coming towards... Why do people do that? When you're in chase, why do you go towards the person who's 1 hook? What are you doing? Why are you just blinded us. You literally blinded me. I didn't even know where the hell I was going. Fine, I'll heal you first. It's okay, you haven't been on hook yet, but I'll heal you first. You know, don't worry about the person who has been on hook. Thank you. Just a little bit. That's fine. I'll keep an eye out when I come over. If I find this, I can hear him. No, because you blinded us for no reason. No, that was better. Alright, just run because he's gonna come straight back. Come upstairs to middle. No need, no need. Alright, Nis, you needs to get on a gen for us, please, thank you. Enough so we can just run around to kill her. He's watching, he's camping, Herc. He's coming into main building, he's coming upstairs. Run. He's gonna have it.
Ah! Ah!
Are you recovering? Good job. Are you serious, love? No, he's gonna go off the person got back. There's no traps in place. No, no, coming back. It's coming. Come here. Come here, let me hear you. Run, 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 run! Ah! I know it! Bro! Oh my god! Why is someone ringing you? Know it? Does your feeling right there? Fuck. I'm dead. Fuck. Someone needs to get that no-head. Get it, bro. Why are you just hiding? Get the no-head. What? Oh, some people in this game. Get the no-head, bro. Don't just hide and wait. It's gonna go so wrong, so badly. Oh my god. Sorry, but when I was getting picked up, you could have easily grabbed the no-head while I was getting hooked. She's gonna leave now because she ain't gonna go for the no-head, is she? Hey, if she can get in that no-head... Love, you gotta run. He's chasing you. He's chasing your ass. Just run. Just run. Thank you. I'm gonna run. I tried to block him for a little bit. Hopefully Nick can get her. I'm Grim and break. Oh my god. Fuck off. No way. We can't get out. Oh my god. What an end game build. What the heck? See, the problem is the other exit's on that side. I'm getting out before he hooks. I am getting out before he hooks. So basically what the other thing was that they had is, so basically when the last gate, when endgame starts, when they hook someone, it blocks the exit gate for you. You can't actually leave. Oh, it's gonna be close. Oh no, she got out, she got out. Oh, yeah. That was intense. And she's dead. Sorry, love. What the heck? This guy had a whole hex build. He had bloody Devourer of Hope, Undying, Noed, and Blood Warden. Bro, what the hell? And that's why he was trying to focus. That's why everybody's trying to focus on me more, because they wanted the what's called the Devourer of Hope. Basically, if they get like I think like 4 or 5 hooks, then they can start instant downing. And then I think if it's like 6, 7 hooks, then they can start Morian. They can Mori you, yeah. That's why I don't like Devourer of Hope. They need to, I think, make it a little bit better. The note I wanted is to finally be honest. Oh, thanks, G-Force. I just said, surprise, motherfucker. Oh, thank you. Coming in. Let's carry on. Surprise, motherfucker. I'm just gonna have a That sounds like a you problem. The toe ain't nothing, better confused around the world. Ain't nothing. You've been down before, you've been hurt before, you got up before. You'll be good to go. Legend said he's gotta get up and get it, and then I'll never forget it. That's my girl. That's my girl. That's my girl. Hey, what you waiting for? I'm not looking forward to Phasmophobia, not gonna lie. I'm gonna shit myself. Because it always shits me up. Whatever, it scares you as well when you played it. Yeah, it's a fun game. It still shits me up. I mean, this game always shits me up. Please not a stealth killer, please not a stealth killer, please not a stealth killer. Oh, it's a pyramid face. It's Dorito. A Dorito? Someone can have a Dorito. Who wants a Dorito? Narrowed it down. So with his power, when he like drags the thing across the floor, if he lifts it up, it can go through the floor. Like it can go